Location. 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 Easy access to amenities, I-5 in just minutes to JBLM. Don't miss the opportunity to own this nicely updated rambler in Hawks Prairie. The entry opens to the living room with wood-burning fireplace and flows to the eat-in kitchen with a sliding glass door to the partially fenced large rear yard. This floor plan offers a master suite with 2 closets and updated 3/4 bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom round out this 1,158 square foot home.